In this video, I'm going to show you how I changed the color of my maternity dress using RIT dye. I bought the dress from Amazon for $35.99 in 2020, and now it sells for $47.99. So to save a little money, and since I still had it in my closet, I figured, why not try using what I already had? So I'm having a girl now, and I wanted a pink dress, so I chose fuchsia, hoping it would come out the color of the bottle. But as you'll see, it came out a little darker. The process was pretty simple. First, I soaked the dress in water to help the dye penetrate the fabric evenly. I combined hot tap and boiling water to a bucket, which got up to 130 degrees. I mixed together 1 teaspoon of dish detergent, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of vinegar, and the dye. And then I added the dress, stirred it for about 10 minutes, and then let it sit for an hour. After that, I rinsed it out, put it in the washing machine with a little bit of Tide laundry detergent, and then put it in the dryer, and that was it. So it came out slightly tie-dye, which I wasn't happy about at first, but after trying it on, I really liked it. So let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.